Good morning, my name's Gary Bartlett, I'm your personal estate agent. So today we are on the banks of the River Medway in East Farleigh, and I'm here to show you something really quite special, quite unique, and an opportunity that you'll probably never get again. I can't wait for you to see it. Right, I told you we had something special for you today. So this behind me is the Basin. It's a one-bedroom house, but the most unique thing about this property is it's got its own mini marina. It's
Gary! How you doing? Gazza! Got the grass stains out your trousers.
Yeah.
Are you filming this?
Yeah, we're doing a video, yeah.
Oh, don't show his wife. Grass stains. So, doing a video. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Oh,
Trying.
Let me just give him a heads up. Hello, I'm David Brent, welcome. Yeah, I'm an agent to the stars. Probably sell it to a star. I've got one coming on later on as well to have a look at it. So, have you?
No,
probably
no,
not.
no.
Probably not. So here she is now. Here she is. Oh.
You must be David.
No.
I'm Gary.
The better looking one's David. So nice to meet you, Lucy. Yeah. You charm me. Like your glasses. So. Talking of glasses, would you like a glass of Cabernet Sauvignon? Let me show you inside. Yeah? Come up the stairs. Bill and Ben. Yeah? So, it's kind of laughs we have here. The flower pot men. So, yeah, and it's got this really nice little bridge across to the front door.
Would you mind if we had a look outside first, please?
No problemo. Yeah, I thought it was a bridge too far.
So as you can see, we're at the back of the property here with the marina.
Oh yeah. So, it's a bit. Let's go through. Oh, here he is. Yeah, so here we are, the back of the property. It's brilliant.
So how big is the plot?
It's massive. It's big.
Sorry, Lucy, the plot itself is about 3/4 of an acre with lots of potential here. You could have a couple of glamping pods to generate some more income, perhaps.
Exactly, that was what I was going to say. Thank you, knowledgeable garden gnome.
That's impressive.
That's what she said. Ah? Come on, Lucy.
So how old is this place?
Really old. Really dates back. Yeah, not as old as him.
Actually, Lucy, it dates back to the late 1800s, and quite an interesting story, actually. The place had a hand in the development of cholera.
Oh, I know everything, yeah? Love me, pathetic.
Okay.
Ooh.
It says in the information that you can generate some income from this property.
Yeah, let me tell you about that. So basically, out the back.
Bunts. Yeah? Bunsen burner, nice little earner. So.
Yeah, so you've got a number of moorings out there which will generate an annual income of around £25,000 a year, but you could increase that by adding a couple of glamping pods to increase the turnover. So, I mean, I guess effectively you could almost get paid for living here.
Lucy, come up here. This is where all the action happens. Look at this. Oh.
So Lucy, what do you think? I mean, can you feel yourself living here?
Yeah, I think so.
What I'll do... Right, no, I've had enough. David, this is time for you to go. Please leave.
Oh, you're odd, showing off in front of the... Yeah? I was going anyway, I'm bored. See you later. Lucy, what are you doing after?
See, I told you it was something quite special, didn't I? So let's just recap. This is a 1-bedroom house with a mini marina attached, sits on 3/4 of an acre, generates an income of around £25,000 a year. Now, if you want to take a look at this property and grab this opportunity, then please give me a call on 07834 9 777 28. I look forward to speaking to you soon.